Thank you so much for
Hello,
watching
good
this video.
morning.
Kindly
How are you?
consider subscribing to my
Welcome
channel.
to my YouTube channel. My name is Bella Jace, and I'm happy that you joined me today. I would like to make breakfast in this video, and we are doing egg bread toast, also known as French toast. And I'd like to show you just what I will be using to come up with my French toast. So let's start. So first, I have my bread. This one is Naivas bread. Then I have eggs here, 4 of them. So, but for eggs, this will depend on the size of your family. If your family is big, you might require more eggs. And then I have some salt for taste, also for to just reduce the smell of eggs on the bread. Cooking oil in an oil dispenser, a spoon to mix the eggs, and also this one to use for cooking. And of course I have my pan here ready. So I'll just crack the eggs, put them on a plate. I'm using this type of plate because it has a wider surface area, and also because I'll be dipping the bread in the egg, I want it to fit completely. So I can't use a smaller plate or a bowl like kind of plate. So this flat one is easy. It can hold more content, so the bread can soak properly on both sides. I'll show you. You just see. Let's start. I forgot to get a plate to put once I'm done. Let me just get it. So this plate is where I'll be putting my toasted bread once it is ready. Just place it here. And also, I require this serviette just to absorb extra oil in case there's extra oil on the bread. So I just put the serviette on the plate. I put two, and also I need one to put the shells of the egg once I crack them, because I don't like them lying around. Just doesn't look nice. So let's start. Let me just trash this one. So I have my cracked up eggs, and then I'll add a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt, to help reduce the smell and also to balance the taste. Then I go ahead and beat my eggs up. So once my eggs are well beaten up, I think this is okay. But if you like, you can add spring onions, you can add black pepper, you can add paprika, you can add even pepper itself, depending on how you want it to taste. But because I have kids, I'm not going to add pepper. Neither will I be adding black pepper. So you just go ahead and prepare it like that. In the meantime, let me heat up my pan. So my pan is heating. You can see it. That's the fire. Once my pan is heated up, I'll just go ahead and start soaking my breads, and also put a bit of oil on the pan, just a little bit. I forgot that I might also require this one. So I just added another two. So let's start. It's that simple. So see, I have dipped my bread in the egg, and I just go ahead and put it on the pan. Then to start cooking. Since the pan is big enough, I can be doing 2 pieces of bread at a time. Just go ahead and soak it again. Add there. I hope you can see see how they are turning out. That's just the first one. So I'll do this for all of them, and I'll show you how it will look like at the end. But if I wanted to add paprika, black pepper, or chili, or milk, or any other flavor that you would like to add, is okay. Just add it to your raw eggs, beat it up properly. You can also do spring onions. It actually makes the color beautiful on the bread. And yeah, you have your breakfast. So the first one is ready. Just go ahead and put it on this plate. It can cool down a bit before I serve it. In the meantime, I can be soaking more bread. Wow, I love them. I love how they are coming out. See, so cute. And because sometimes you might find that the egg actually split on the side of the bread, so you need to also make sure that the sides cook properly. So just put it like this way. Once it's cooked one side, you turn it again. It's cooked, you turn it again, and finally the fourth side you also turn it, and so you end up having your egg cooked all round over the bread. So yeah, this one is ready. I love the golden color they are having. And just make sure that it's cooked on all the sides. So much bread, but yeah, they look nice, very nice. Let me just plate them.